Follower growth, business made simple. How about that 50K game plan?
Did you get that?
Yes, I was recording after the recording.
Oh, great. Happy Black Friday. This is one of my favorite holidays because my last name is Black. So we're going to do something extremely special for you guys that we have put together, not only for follower growth, like if you're looking to build your audience, your visibility, we have some crazy Black Friday deals that we've never ever done before, never offered before. We have that for you, along with, what do we got?
The business made simple, designed for not only if you are currently making 5 to 10K per month, or if you're actually looking to make 5 to 10K per month within your services, within your products, how to level up, how to brand yourself, how to set things up, how to make sure you have it all together. We've packaged it up just for you.
Yeah, very simple steps. And even if you don't have the money right now to literally invest in ads, but you're looking for leads, you want to get the Business Made Simple course. So swipe up or swipe down wherever you are, wherever this video is right now. Just go there, get the deals, limited time only. We're only giving out a certain amount. Take advantage of it. We're never going to do this opportunity again. We've never done it before. So make it happen. We also have the 50K game plan, so take a look at it. If you're looking to scale your business on the exact formula, what to actually do to take yourself from 20, 30, $10,000 a month to 50K consistently. Literally, you're waking up in December, let's say next year, and you already have 20 to 30K coming in before the month even starts. That's what we're actually teaching you in that specific course. So whichever one resonated with you, go ahead and get it. We have awesome bundle packs as well. We look forward to seeing you on the other side.